Ever heard that phrase, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, that's basically the definition of diversification when it comes to investing. So welcome to my Investing 101 series. So you want to minimize the impact of one of your investments going wrong. And if you put all your money in the stock market and the stock market tanks and it stays really low for months or years and you're trying to retire or you need to pull money out just to live, well, you might be a little shit out of luck. But if you were to diversify and put your money in the real estate market and the stock market, when one does good, sometimes the other one is doing bad, and then you can pick and choose where to get your money from. And when it comes to investing, I like to put my money across 3 different asset classes. So the first one is aggressive classes, the next one is moderate classes, and the last one is very conservative. And if you diversify amongst the 3 different classes, then the likelihood of all 3 of your investments going belly up and you losing your money is very low. And diversification is something I honestly thought long and hard about 2 years ago when I realized that most of my money was in real estate. And I was like, ooh, that could be a bad thing. So then I switched gears. And for the last 2 years, I've been investing heavily in the stock market. But now I feel like I'm in a comfortable position where I can go back to investing in the real estate market.